I would rather still with you, dog, nigga, what? Ride till we die, on to the sub.
Yo, you know I ain't tripping, you know what I'm saying? I ain't no hater, nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? I see you got the new little dude or whatever, but I'm just letting you know, man, nigga need to be straight around my baby, man. Cause I'll kill for mine, man. For real, man. That's word, man. I'll kill for mine, man.
Hold on. Wait a minute. Let me try to explain something to you real quick. Listen. First of all, I understand that you tough and you body and you got that life and maybe young thugger and stuff like that, child. But we don't need no murder right now, baby. We need a robbery or something like that because you ain't bought like school clothes and like you bought 4 outfits in 15 years, you know, and that's just not gonna cut it. So you run around here talking about you can kill for somebody and all that stuff. You need to be trying to rob for somebody because that's more beneficial to me right now than your murder that ain't took place in yet, you know. So kill me, miss me with all of that, okay? Just please miss me with all the murder, kill, blood on the dance floor stuff.
Nothing type of brother, silly me, why haven't I